Salutations, my name is Don, and today I'm going to take you step by step how to create a CoreTools login. First, go to the ldc.org webpage. This is the page that I'm already on, as you can see here on the tab. Second, over here there's a red tab that says CoreTools Login. Once you click here, it will take you to a page where it will give you the option of entering in your name, email, and password. So simply put in your name, email, password, and then click Join LDC CoreTools. Since I already have an account, and if you happen to already have an account, then you would enter in your login and password up here. Once you enter in that information, it will take you into CoreTools. CoreTools has four main tabs on the top. You have your home page, which will tell you what you have viewed recently. You have your library. This is either modules and mini tasks shared with you or ones that you created yourself. Of course, if you don't want to see the ones shared with you, you could unmark that and it will load up just the modules that you created yourself. The next tab is the LDC Curriculum Library. Once modules are created and gone through the journeying process or not, they are shared to the LDC Curriculum Library. You have that option whether or not you're going to make what you create public. And then of course the fourth tab is the Jury tab. The Jury tab is mainly a way to collaborate with other teachers to have them review the instruction you have created. This gives them an opportunity to provide feedback according to a LDC jury rubric. However, today our main focus is to establish an account and ensure that we have a complete profile. So once you hit the down arrow next to your name, you have the option Profile. Once you click on Profile, the information you entered in on the last page when you were logging in should come up right here. Should have your first name, middle name, last name, and your email address. There's an option right here that anytime someone creates a module or a mini task and they share it with you, you would get a notification. Also, if you're collaborating with someone to review your module according to the jury rubric, that message would also be sent here. Now below is some really important information, but it is optional. This is where you would put in your role. You have three options for your role: either the teacher, the coach, or the administrator. For example, I am a coach, so I would click that. And then of course, what grade levels do you teach, or what grade levels do you work with? Since I guess I would work with all grade levels, I just put K through 12. Down here is what disciplines do you teach. So since I'm working with all disciplines to include CTE, just type in those and those would automatically fill. Now all the schools are already entered into the database, so when you're selecting your school, all you would have to do is type what school you work at. For example, I used to work at Fairgrove Middle School. My school pops up, I click there and it's added. And then the last thing that's important is who is providing the training for you. Today's training is provided by SRAB, so type in the Southern Regional Education Board. Once you have finished that, click Update Account. There's one last thing I want to show you that you could do on this page. Just in case your password gets compromised, you could click on this tab right here. This will give you the option of creating a new password. All you would have to do is click in the new password and then confirm your new password and click Update Password. This is a brief introduction to CoreTools and how to set up a profile.